Hmm. Hello student. The second question says a toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone of the same base radius as that of the hemisphere. If the radius of base of the cone is 21 centimeter and its volume is two-thirds of the volume of hemisphere. Now we have to calculate the height of the cone and the surface area of the toy. Now let's start the solution by drawing the figure. First, we know hemisphere. We will draw a hemisphere having a radius r. The radius is r. This hemisphere is surmounted by a right circular cone. So we will draw the cone here. The radius of the hemisphere is 21 centimeter. Radius of the hemisphere is 21 centimeters. And the second part of the question says if the radius of the base of the cone is 21 centimeter and its volume is two-thirds of the volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone will denote Vc as volume of the cone, which is equal to two-thirds volume of the hemisphere. Here we have to know the formula of volume for a cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of a sphere, volume of a hemisphere is half of the volume of a sphere. Volume of a hemisphere is half of volume of a sphere. So we will half the volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and by multiplying half to it we will find volume of hemisphere. Here we need to find this height of the cone. We will transfer the values to the right side so that they will get inverted at the other side. Here we will divide the values, and pi will get divided by the pi, and the remainder here dividing pi is 1. We'll divide these values and their remainder will also be 1. We'll divide this radius, square is divided by, and here 1 will be left. Here all the values are left as remainder 1, and only values matter here are 4 by 3 multiplied by radius. 4 by 3 multiply, and here we know the value of radius is 21 centimeters. Here again we will divide the values. 3 is divided by and the height of the cone is 28 centimeter. Height of the cone is 28 centimeter. We have solved height of the cone. Now we have to solve other part, that says the surface area of the toy. Surface area of this toy, which is lateral of the cone, say curved surface area of a cone and curved surface area of this hemisphere. For that we have to find the slant height of the cone. We have to find the slant height of the cone. Slant height, we name it L, which is equal to R square plus H square. L is equal to under root of the R square, which is 21 square plus 28 square. We will multiply 21 by 21, we will get 441, and multiplying 28 by itself we will get 724. We will get 724. By adding both these numbers we will get 1225. We'll get 1225, which is equal to 35 centimeter. Now we have find the slant height is equal to 35 centimeter. We have find slant height. We have to find here the surface area of the toy. Now we can say total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy is curved surface area of this cone, curved surface area of this cone, and curved surface area of this hemisphere. Curved surface area of this hemisphere. Curved surface area of this hemisphere. Now curved surface area of a cone is pi r l. Curved surface area of a cone is pi r l, and curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. We will take the common values. Here we have taken pi r common, and the values left in the bracket are L plus 2R. Here pi and R are taken common and only 2R is left. Total surface area of the toy. Here we have the value of pi 22/7 multiplied by the radius r. Here slant height is 35 meters and the radius is 21 centimeter. We will divide this 7 by 20, we get 3, and here we get 1. We will write it as it is, and 35 plus we multiply 2 by 21 is 42. We will multiply both these values, we will get 66, and when we add these values, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 3 plus 4 is 7. We will multiply 6 by 7, we get 462. Again we will do the same, we will get 462. We will get 5082 centimeter square. We have found total surface area of this toy is 5082 centimeters. Thank you.